I visited the Mahakumbh Mela just a few hours after the stampede took place and things were cleared. So my experience was a very peaceful one rather than looking at the extreme crowd or the exploding crowd that rushed off the barricades. What I observed as I took the non-crowded route, there was complete management and good arrangements that were at place. But the extreme rush and the crowd that came to take the holy dip might have pushed and created or led towards the stampede that took place. The arrangements were at place, but the rush which broke off the barricade that was meant to keep them well regulated could have led to the stampede. Talking of the VIP movement and whether that could have led to the stampede or not. So I believe there were different routes to facilitate the prominent personalities who were visiting Prayagraj and taking the dip at the Triveni Sangam. There was a route which would facilitate people who went on their foot as well as those who took the boat ride or towards other ghats. I personally went through the Arel Ghat and opted for a boat that would take me towards the Sangam, the confluence of three rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. So as I took the boat and was travelling towards taking my holy dip, I could see floating first aid equipment. So there was a boat which had medical equipments. And when I reached the Sangam spot, there were only few steps that we had to take after the holy dip for changing rooms. The changing room facilities were also at place and it was created in such a way that it ensured that rush could also be managed. The rooms were unisex, so it did not have any confusion, or again talking of the Kumbh mein bichadne wala fear, it did not make people to like split ways, like maybe the husband had to go somewhere else or maybe the children had to be going to some other changing room. So the changing rooms facilities were also at place. But again, it were the people who had rushed to the Kumbh Mela and after taking the holy dip, they littered or maybe they created filth around those changing rooms. The changing rooms which were built only a few steps away from the water, it was left away with wet clothes that people had taken the bath with. So again, the next person would not be getting the same good equipments that were provided by the government. When you see about the overall facilities and how the things were at Kumbh Mela, the arrangements at the Kumbh Mela 2025 so I believe it's highly unlikely that the stampede could have led because of mismanagement or improper services that were provided there. Rather, I believe that maybe the barricade which was actually meant to regulate the crowd and send people in lots so that not everybody rushes at the same spot and then creates a lot of crowd and rush. So as people broke that regulated barricade, just desperately wanting to take the holy dip and get the blessings. So maybe that was that point where the mishap took place. It's very unlikely that the mishap could have been caused because of improper arrangements of the government.